Welcome. This is Jamb year 2020 government pass question number 11, and the question here says, in which of the following systems is the power of the component unit more than that of the central government? I take the question again. In which of the following systems is the power of the component units more than that of the central government? Now, when we talk of component unit is made up of two systems of government. We have the state government and the local government make up the component units in every government, and the central government is known as federal government or national government. So in a pure federal system of government, the federal government has veto power over the component unit, but the opposite of federal government is Confederal government. Since in federal government the federal government has a veto power over the component, then in Confederal government the component have veto power over the federal government or the national government or central government. So option A says unitary, option B say federal, option C say confederal, option D say monarchical. And when we talk of unitary, we mean a system of government in which the ultimate power resides at the center. Monarchical system means a system of government in which a king or queen rules. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.